Cruz.
Right.
As the primary hitter again for Lasal.
Rick Saavedra making his presence felt.
Best outside hitter.
As Campton, he didn't really see much action. Guerrero with a jump set to Campton. And you can see that the Green Spikers are going to their Las Claras. Louis Ventura is in. And after this is a block of the set.
That was Amit between.
Campton has developed his jump serve over the years. Martinez, back set again, Saavedra. Pagdating sa porsentuan, walang hihigit. To the 19-year-old. Ventura, yes. Magalaman is in front now. Saavedra has got 3 for 3.
Natigil yung volleyball. Now, we're back and we're alive. More than ever, ang daming nanonood.
Instead, of course, by ito si Magalaman block of the set. That's more at the heart than it was Magalaman. That's our grab. Cannot hear ourselves anymore as Bituin. And Eman Hernandez. That is returned. Hernandez tries again. Soft shot this time. Benny drops it in.
Makukuha ang attackers.
No look set. Magalaman. That is there for LaSalle's title quest in the season 87 of the UAAP.
And he's also a best middle blocker already.
Oh! Echo Adahar.
Literal.
Center ang makakuha pa ng ating Jannan. Attack of the set. Hotpot ba? Attack na sa... Ana's on a roll right now. Back set. Bricks. 5 for 5. Ana Gupico. Eman also almost getting that one. Miss hit. Back set. Campton. Layug. Left-handed middle attacker. Martinez. Oh, great cross-court hit. Coming. Want to talk about a rising star? There he is, literally.
I met a star.
Quick play. That's gonna work.
Mga quick na yan. Yun yung expertise niya.
Si Lyric minsan lang umupensa yan. Was also a big factor, scoring 9 points there, but he has been kept in check today. Great dig by Hernandez. Adahar, Campton against 3. Echo goes back to Noel. Dalawa na lang ang blockers. Magalaman with stretch. Jellord tries again. Jellord Talisayan lead into our second technical timeout. Jellord, the Star Lord, delivers. Good serve. Talisayan. Cross-court beauty. Adahar chooses Louis Ventura. Flying. Galing sa likod. He's also a lefty. Speaking of lefties, how about 6 for 6 on offense for Drexel? Off the net once again. Adahar on the delay to Ventura. Boy, Rui Ventura's got arch nemesis niya dati, Charo Soriano. That's really going back in time.
Naku, 10 years yun.
Yeah. Hernandez. Still cannot score. Saavedra. 7 for 7. Are you kidding me?
Ilang kaya nila.
Yep. Not a good reception by Campton, but Rui Ventura with the answer.
Was it?
And we're going to have Eugene Gloria, who's denied. Eman Hernandez. Nabawi naman ni Saavedra on the defensive. Look at the block of the set. And that was more of Saavedra than it was Lyric Martinez. Dagdagan pa ng ace. Sabi ni Guerrero, wag muna. Pero sabi naman ni Bituin. Campton with a good reception. Ventura again. Panipis na ng panipis. Benny, back set. 8 out of 9.
Parang si Drix, dapat nickname niya Midas.
Bakit?
Everything he touches,
Yan.
kukunin ko.
Running attack. Magalaman. Go to Talisayan. Cross court once again. Magalaman, hinabol na. That's too wild for Campton, who has to get it across. Talisayan finding the corner. Almost gets the ace. Delayed set, Ventura. Kept alive by De Guzman. Combination, Talisayan. Kept alive by Guerrero. Back row, Ventura. How about the trust as well? Given to a back row attacker. Galing dito kay Echo Adahar. Saavedra gets it through. 25 to 22. 9 out of 10 on attacks for the opposites. MVP. Dito, kanino kaya mapupunta ang gintong medalya? Trix Saavedra is 10 for 12. Lyric. Captain. Where's the ball? Where's the ball? Adahar. Lumaban si Absin. They go to the back row for Hernandez. Absin, tulak. Campton. Over the defense, kept alive. Martinez. Campton, third time around. And now he almost decapitates Saavedra.
Drop ball.
Ang liit na lang ng puwang.
Sure na once he gives it to him.
Oh, hoy!
Focus.
Oh, Jelor, Talisayan woke up on. Guerrero gets to that. Ventura!
Naku, parang ano yun, may tama.
Mukhang may history ka na kay Absin. Ito denied by Magalaman.
Between
You shall not pass. Grab, block of the set. Oh. Echo, Campton. Campton again. Adahar goes to Ventura this time. Better net defense now by FEU. Rui. Over the defense, kept alive by Absin. Back set, Saavedra. Kept alive. Not for long. Quick Saavedra is 13. Martinez. Adahar, back set, Ventura. Talisayan. Yes! Martinez. Adahar, back set, Ventura, denied by Jelor Talisayan. They go to a combination play, but Adahar is able to get...
blocker niya, kabisado na siya.
And that will be a service ace for Lasal. But the point of the matter is FEU has saved 2 set points. And Devils tie it up. They're going to go to the back. Kept alive by Ceballos. Martinez. Lyric Mendoza puts it away. Martinez goes to the back. Saavedra, yes! Adahar, Campton. Oh, the block is in!
Look at that replay. Baon na ni Campton yung lahat ng puwersa na kaya niya.
Yes, but it's still not over.
Unity ng volleyball players na
bet.
Filipino in America.
That's right. Saavedra continues to be the
Same things that's making them win the sets.
Ventura denied that time. Low set, but still converted by Charles Absin.
Joshua Rodriguez.
And we are going to look at our attack of the set brought to us by Jiangnan. Back set, Ventura, finally a point for Lasal. Coquita, Rodriguez, no look. Oh, the delay. Absin with a good one. Emma Hernandez is denied by Lyric Mendoza. Take a look at the grab block of the set. Lyric Mendoza got all of that. And a
Arya and si Hernandez, medyo similar yung kilos nila when it comes to
and that almost Box in trouble. Gloria against 3. At sabi ni Absin. Akin yan. Look at this block. The Great Wall of Moraita. Ayan.
Gloria couldn't do anything about the finals.
And a 5-point lead for the Tamaraws. Ventura, he's the only one answering right now for Lasal. Martinez, nailusot naman niya ni Absin. And again, I agree with you. Poquita in trouble again. And Talisayan converts. Serve. Poquita on the back set to Ventura. Again, the lone source of income for Lasal. Over-received, but Ventura could not put it away. Saavedra again!
Parts of D-League, alam mo, matatag na sila as a team, polish na, pero meron pa pala silang i-improve.
Including this kid. Campton, good serve. Martinez, back set. Saavedra finds the line. Martinez, attack coming from Lyric Mendoza. Walang naman yan, nagupiko noong araw yan. But that was a bullet from Lyric.
He's just singing his bibigay kay Lyric.
Poquita. Ventura is denied by Espartero.
None.
Martinez, combination play. And even the defense of LaSalle kept for the championship.
Everybody's ready for the confetti.
And it's an ace.
Wow!
What a way to end it for the Far Eastern University.
Chip point.